Where's the bird, 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 bird? Oh my gosh, this is gonna be so bad, guys. Actually, it might be good. I have no idea. Because, what's his name?
Who? Brian?
Yeah, Brian. Brian. He asked me if I knew the surfing bird, and I said, what is the surfing bird? I know the song, I know the dance. All right, so here we go. The bird, bird, bird. Wendy's gonna be my videographer. Bird, bird, bird. Bird is the word. Here we go.
You got all kinds of watchers. Seizure. Someone's like seizure.
Okay. All right. Okay, seriously, guys. I was asked if I knew the surfing bird. I was like, okay. I told this guy, Brian, I was a dancer. He goes, you're not a dancer if you don't know the surfing bird. And I said, what's the surfing bird? And he goes, and he was like about to get up. And I'm like, no, get up. And he's like, no, how about you look it up on YouTube? Sorry, I'm out of breath, guys. I just did the surfing bird. Okay, so I did the surfing bird. I looked it up on YouTube. I watched it 2 times. And that was like after watching it for 2 times. Gosh, I can't wait. That is exactly how I kick it on a Saturday night. So, I did the surfing bird, and Nakaya, did you see me do the surfing bird?
She didn't like it.
And I don't even know what I look like. I am freaking like out of breath. I probably look like a freaking seizure pain.
I'm gonna show you what you look like.
Justin! You thought I looked, oh man. Dude, look up the freaking surfing bird, or what is that what it's called? The seizure. Dude, I was just in the freaking zone doing the bird. Dude, I know that song so good. I mean, it's such a freaking good song. I didn't know the word. I didn't know the freaking dance though. I just looked it up, like I said.
It broke.
Was it like 5 minutes ago? Watched it 2 times. And I might have nailed
These
it.
can be like your
Did I nail that?
We'll put you to work painting.
You know what? What else would I want to do on a Saturday night? What song do you want me to dance to now? Don't worry, huh? Brian, put on a freaking song. Yeah, no, do
Yeah,
it.
let me show you
Anything
it.
but
Let me show
country.
you
Just kidding. Just kidding. I can kick some rocks or dirt or whatever you do.
You know that the bird is the word?
What do you do? Hey, I'm a good country singer. Hey, I know Busco and Boogie. Hey,
Okay, I'll hold
put on some Busco and Boogie. I'll Busco and Boogie on out of here. Oh my gosh. He would do this one. Oh yeah, he wants his. Okay, I was about to get it on there too, man. Woo! The bird.
Let me show you the bird.
The bird. Bird is the bird. I love that song. You know that I'm gonna do that dance in class. You girls be ready to freaking get some energy going. We'll be like, I like this part. This part was like the best. Like that's probably what he thought my seizure, right? It's like this girl doesn't know what she's doing. Oh my gosh. Woo. So welcome to this.
Tell them bye.
No, we're on live.
No, we're gonna show you your video.
Oh my gosh, that looks so freaking awesome. We're partying. Justin, thanks for watching. Everybody, thank you for watching. I can't wait to see what everybody has to say. Seizure, Justin, you
Stop laughing and help her.
Yeah, no one else wanted to come on and do the bird.
Okay.
This is a great song. Seriously, you want me to do some freaking Metallica? I can't dance this stuff. Actually, I can.
Or we can go now.
Dude, Ludacris started a live video, but who wants to watch Ludacris when you can watch me? Just kidding. It's gonna be freaking Metallica City right now, guys.
You got her going now.
It's a little intermission, guys. Don't worry. We have a little bit of an intermission going on.
You still have a plate?
He didn't pick the song right. If you guys are getting bored, it's because of him.
They ain't gonna get bored.
I can play a mean air guitar and drums.
This is gonna be the best YouTube video you ever had.
No. It's really raunchy.
Dude, I own no rights to Metallica song. This Metallica song, I don't even, no. Metallica is freaking amazing. I don't own any rights to this song.
Do you like that one better?
So, do you guys like my seizure, or do you like? Dude, hey, you need to get some freaking Busco and Boogie up. I don't own rights to that song either. Or like freaking To the Window, to the Wall. Ah, ski skeet. Ski skeet. Get freaking like. I gotta, what's it called when you, I gotta redeem myself.
Oh, I don't know. The bird was pretty good. You gotta watch your video.
I can't wait. You guys,
Oh,
All
your
right.
battery's going dead.
freaking A, this battery is going dead. And nobody wants to watch this anymore. You better put something good on. They want to see me dance. They don't want to see me like lip sync. Tell everybody about this freaking video. I own no rights to it, but tell them about it. What's up, Nate? Just jamming. Just did a bird. The bird was the word.
Rolling around in the
I was, dude, what just happened? I just rolled around in the grass. You missed that. Oh, thanks for love. I am trouble. Trouble with a capital T. Okay. Hey, say that again.
I said, now you see why the gym is so much fun.
What is up, Miss Leopold? Well, she used to be Miss Olson. Miss Olson was like my freaking choir teacher. She was the best teacher in the whole freaking world. And she left, and then I missed her.
Well,
She's the
back.
best
She's watching
freaking choir
you.
teacher. I just like freaking love her. Everybody is so lucky to have her as a teacher. Oh yeah, it was actually a couple friends of mine. They're okay. They're okay.
Customers expect instant and personalized.
Hi, Deb. Love you. Dude, he needs to play some good music going on because I need to redeem myself after freaking
Oh, you don't.
Metallica.
You gotta watch this first.
Oh, no. Old is great. Old is great. You're freaking amazing. I love you.
Here we go.
This song, are you real? Are you sure? The badunky dunk. Right? Right?
Might be.
Oh, she put her beard on.
So you gotta love. Here we go.
Is that so much better? I'm getting more views. Okay, I guess I have to leave now because this is getting naughty. Hey, I do not own any rights to this song either, guys. No rights to any of these songs.
Facebook's gonna cut you
Love
off.
you. I pretend. I was like, but I know this song. I know this part, but I didn't know any of the others. Okay, I really gotta go now. I have the best sense of humor in the world. I love you guys. Love you. No rights to any of these songs, promise. None.